Hello, Scorpio. Welcome to Soul Vibrations, here to deliver soul vibrational messages. Today, I'll be using tarot and pendulum to check your general energetic system called chakras, also known as auras, or energy points in your body. Whatever best resonates with you. I wanted to also say that a lot of this reading is based on the energy that I'm trying to collect from the moon, this blue moon energy. We are officially in Virgo season. So I meditated and pre-shuffled, focusing primarily on your mind, body, and spirit with these kind of energies. So a quick reminder that this is a general energy reading, and I hope that you can resonate with this particular message. Scorpio, thank you so much for being here. I pre-shuffled, meditated, like I said, on your energy, but I still wanted to give it a little bit more of a shuffle, see if anything else wants to come out for us. Ace of Swords, King of Pentacles, and Three of Pentacles. Okay. So, the King of Pentacles, very authoritative, very much earth element. And I see a lot of earth element here, okay? Earth is representative of our body. It's our material needs. It's our finances. And him being a king, it gives me this like masculine kind of energy for you, Scorpio, which is very much direct, very grounding, very disciplined. There's a sense of abundance here. There's a sense of you are creating something, okay? I see here you working on building upon something. It's teamwork. You're collaborating. You're sharing your goals. You're putting in effort in a very direct way. The Ace of Swords is saying, like, be mindful of like new ideas. Be very much present in your physical and put in the work, but also allow this sword to come in. To me, this speaks about clarity. It's some sort of power. It's a breakthrough when it comes to your finances, again, to your physical needs, to what you're building upon, to your body. You're working well with others. This is very much saying like you're staying in your lane, which is a beautiful thing. I see a lot of energy here, a lot of newness for you, Scorpio. And when it comes to your money, to your physical, there's this also speaks to me about like opportunities coming in for you, potential, okay, and definitely new beginnings in a different way. Swords is the air element within ourselves. It speaks about our rationality, our intellect, our thoughts. So be clear about what is it that you are building upon, your foundation. Be disciplined. When it comes to business, being the King of Pentacles, he's very much a businessman. And he's very reliable, right? So again, be very clear. Stay true to yourself. It's what it's saying here. Like I said, stay in your lane, allow others to teach you what their potential is and learn to work with them. This is very much group growth in the physical state, which is very beautiful for you, Scorpio. Whatever you're building upon, it seems to be in order. You're very much present in this physical state. I see a lot of energy for you and a lot of new ideas. So that's great for you. So this season seems like it's going to be very much, it's element earth. It's going to be very much in your presence. It's going to work with you, Scorpio. Thank you so much. With that said, I will be moving on to your chakras. Let's see what else and how else can you bring in more balance, and in what areas should you give a little bit more light to as well. Shed light to bring in, again, more balance and prosperity to you, Scorpio. So base chakra and crown chakra. Yes, okay. Thank you. So to be honest with you, this is very much for all the collective. I mean, for every sign, mostly these two have come out. There's something about us having to connect not only to our spiritual side, but to our physical side as well. It's like a polarity, right? I feel like the heart is always like the filter to both your physical and your spiritual side of us. And in this case, it's playing with both. It's saying, be mindful of these two and bring them into balance. Color red, color purple. One speaks to your base, your root chakra. It is your connection to earth, your grounding. Stability is balance. It's your trust. It's your physical health, your nourishment. What are you feeding it? What are you feeding yourself? Your strength, your family, your roots. What are you building upon? Again, your security. What makes you feel safe? Survival, your prosperity. And your crown speaks your connection to the universe. It's your spirituality. It's your awareness, your consciousness, your wisdom, meaning, your inner joy, peace, wholeness. Speaks to about praying, like asking, the universe. Be connecting in both ways, in earth and in spirit, or your higher self, pretty much. Try to wear these colors, meditate on these colors, eat fruits and vegetables that are these colors in order to bring in, again, a little bit, to help it bring more balance. So I hope that this message resonates with you, Scorpio. Thank you so much for being here. I send you the best of vibes, and I will see you soon. Ciao.